Let's learn how you can use the snap camera for Umingle. This video is meant just for educational, informational and demonstration purposes only. Firstly, to get the snap camera, you're gonna go to the first link in description. This is the snap camera version 1.21. There's one for Windows and Mac. Since I'm doing it for Windows, click on the snap camera 1.21 and let the file download. Once you download the file, you're gonna go through the installation process of snap camera. Once it gets installed, don't launch the snap camera yet. Uncheck here and finish. Go to desktop, and here we have got the snap camera shortcut on desktop. Now you're gonna right click on the shortcut and go to open file location. This will highlight the snap camera application inside this folder. We're gonna just take note of this application here, snap camera. We'll need it in a while. Now go back to your browser and go to the second link in description. You'll get the snap camera patcher. This is the snap camera patcher from Jaku, that is Mad Jaku. Now open the window back, skip it little down. Now drag the snap camera application and drop it on the choose file section here. Once it's done, scroll down and click on apply patch. It will just pass the snap camera application and will automatically download this. We're gonna go to folder to locate this. And it's just here, snap camera passed. Make sure that the name is exactly snap camera passed. Just like here, copy this file, Ctrl C, minimize. Go back to the snap camera application folder, here installation directory, and we're gonna paste the passed file, Ctrl V, continue. Once it's pasted, we have got two applications. Delete the one with the name just snap camera, delete, continue. Now you're gonna rename the snap camera passed to just snap camera, enter, continue. Now it's done, everything is done. Now if you launch the snap camera, next. You'll get all the filters properly loaded here. You can choose any filter. Now the last part is go to Umingle. Open up Umingle website. Choose the video. Go to camera settings and select the snap camera from here. And thus you can use it. So just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.